Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Oh, fine. I apologize many times I have uploaded DJ music, Sundanese or other story. I regard that's all just for I speaking. Okay. Today we'll come back to English subject with the title How to Enrich Your Vocabulary for Speaking English. You want to know the technique? Well, keep in my channel and go anywhere. Subscribe. Okay. Thank you. First thing you do, you have to hold small dictionary in your pocket wherever you go, and then available dictionary next to you wherever you are. Okay, so when you want to say in English and you find difficulty how to say it, you can check it out on the dictionary. This is my experience when I was a student of English. Okay, wherever you are, you just try to mention the things around you. When you are in a restaurant, you see the things, you say it in English. For example, you see the plate, you say it is a plate, or this is the glass, or others. Okay, when you are in the bedroom, you can say this is a pillow, this is a bolster, or this is a cupboard, or others. Yes, just mention the things first and then you try to make it in the sentence, the simple sentence with this is or that is. This is used is the thing next to you, but if the things are far away from you, you say with that. Okay, another example for you who are employee or employment. Yes, you say the things around your office, yeah, your table first, your office or surrounding environment around you. Okay, and then for you who housewife, you can say the thing in the kitchen, in the living room, in the bathroom, everywhere you go, you find a thing, you try to mention in English. Okay, try, and then you open dictionary which is in your pocket. Okay, or with handphone. Okay lah, you can browse in a Google Translate. You try say it many times, and finally you will remember it without memorizing. Okay, that's the technique. And don't forget to insert it into the sentence, simple sentence. All above I said to you, this is just to memorize a noun. Yes. For adjective, I suggest you to say whatever you feel. Yeah, for example, I'm tired. Lelah in English, you check it out in dictionary. Lelah, tired. And how to pronounce it, you can use Google. Okay, and you make it with the subject I. For example, I am tired. When you look somebody, girl or boy or man or woman, she is tired, he is tired. Or whenever you when you feel very busy, you say that I'm busy today, etc. When you feel headache, you say that I'm headache. In English, all in English. Try to think in English, speak in English. Whatever you feel, you say it in English. Okay, that's for memorizing adjective. That I have told you about, this is just for memorizing adjective and noun. Now it's turn for you to memorize verb. Okay, whatever you do, please mention in English. Yeah, you can practice in your mind, in your heart, or in writing. If you are same, there is someone next to you. You can say, I drink coffee, I drink milk, and I write the note, everything. Yeah, check it out in dictionary if you find difficulty. Okay, make it simple sentence first without using tenses. For executing tenses in the sentence, I will make it in separated video. Okay, have a nice practice to memorize vocabulary. Hopefully, you can enrich your vocabulary. That's very important for you speak English. Okay, see you.